Alright guys, welcome to the video. So today we are going to apply a bed liner type material to the rear wheel wells because they are not black and there's a very light, almost looks like overspray paint on them. So to prevent them from getting chipped and then maybe rusting or something like that, although it's aluminum, I just like the look of the blacked out wheel well better than, you know, the very faint blue that's in there. So I called Linex and they actually wanted like $350 to do both. It's like, are you kidding me? Usually a whole bed is about $450, $500. So for two wheel wells, they want $350. I said I was going to do it myself. So, you know, I like watching Gunner 212's videos, and Gunner used a product I had never heard of before. It's made by a company called U-pol, and it's Raptor Liner. So I ordered some of that from Amazon, and I'll put the link below if you're interested. Now I think he sprayed his on, and they do have a lot of spray-on product, but they have a kit here, and I got it right here. And this is a roll-on kit, so this is pretty cool. You know, in this kit you're getting 2 bottles of the liner, 2 bottles of the hardener, so you put 1 bottle in each, but you can mix it separately, so you can have 2 different projects going on. Once you mix it, I think it's only good for about an hour. You're also getting 1 roller handle with 2 rollers, 2 trays, a couple abrasive pads because you're supposed to scuff up the area first so it has better adhesion, a couple disposable gloves for those, 2 anti-slip additives. Well, that would be more for like a bed liner. I am not going to add the additive, the anti-slip additive, because obviously nobody's going to be walking on that. This is more for the protection than the anti-slip factor. So we just won't add in the grit, the anti-slip additive. But what we do, and I'm going to roll it and paint it. If there's areas you can't get in with the roller, you can just brush it on. But this kit is pretty cool. I did open it real quick. So you've got some instructions. And this is your liner. So each one of these is not totally filled to the top because you do need to add 1 bottle of hardener per container. You mix that in there, you shake it up for a minute, dump it in one of these rolling trays. There's one of your rollers. Very nice sanding blocks. You get 2 of those, and then there's little baggies over here, and that's actually your additive right there. So that's one thing that we're not using. So what I'm doing is I had to take my rear mud flaps off, which I've already done. While these are off, I may actually coat the screws. If you remember, I painted them. I was thinking about removing this whole fender flare, and I did take all the screws off, but to be honest, I'm a little hesitant. It doesn't just pop off, and I'm sure it does. But you know, if you snap a clip or something like that, then you're screwed, and I gotta go find another clip. So I don't think I'm gonna do that. I am going to clean this area first, scrape it down with the sandpaper. Then I am going to get a plastic bag and cover up the back area, and then we will roll it and brush it on and see how it goes. So all right, let's get this done.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119
So now I have put 2 coats on. It's a little messy, but you know, it's not too bad. As you can see, I still have everything masked off, but it's a nice looking coating. A little bit more textured looking back there. Probably the way I brushed it on. But you know what, especially from a distance, I really like the darked out look as opposed to how it looked before. Now what I did find is I had to go through both of these. One container would have been enough, but it only lasts for about 60 minutes. Once you apply this, you have to let it dry and set before you put the second coat on. And you want to wait about 60 minutes. Now the warmer it is, the quicker it'll dry. And in Richmond, it's about 90 degrees today, high humidity. I mean, I am absolutely dying. I'm a puddle of sweat. But by the time I came back with the second coat, everything in the tray was all gooped up, which is honestly why you might see some extra texture in the first wheel well here, because I tried to use it and then I realized, you know what, I need to shake up the second can. But that's okay, because probably you and me are the only ones that are going to really notice that. And personally, I don't think it looks bad, but it is what it is. So we're going to let this finish setting up, and then I will put the mud flaps back on, but I am not going to bore you with that. So there you go, another project in the books. I've got some other stuff that I just got in the mail that we will probably attempt maybe over the weekend, or who knows. I may save it for next week. I think we're supposed to be getting rain for like the next 6 days, although is that not the best job in the world? You tell me when a weatherman is ever right, and it seems like the population is like, oh wow, he's got a crystal ball, like the 1 in 100 times the weathermen are ever right. But right now, the forecast, at least according to the iPhone, is saying rain. So we'll just kind of see how it goes and play it by ear. But otherwise, guys, please hit that subscribe button if you want to see some more content. Let me know what you would like to see. Hit the little bell notification. That will let you know every time I do upload a video. To be kind, be smart, work hard, and good things will come to you. Thanks, guys. Have a good one.